Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get the lights working on the back of your Samsung G9. So what we have to do is we have to go to the little toggle switch down here. There's a little switch here that allows you to press up, down, left and right, and also in as well. So we're just going to tap it in and it brings up this menu here. We're going to move around the place until we get to menu here and then press in. And now if we go over to the left hand side and go up to system, you can see we have Infinity Core Lighting. So go over to the right and click in on Infinity Core Lighting, and right now it is off. So tap it in and change that to on, so move down and press in. And right now it's on, the light effect is static and the color is blue. So if you have a look around the back here, it's now come alive. And you can change various different features on the actual monitor itself. So for example, if I was to go down to static, press in, if I was to change it to rainbow, it says here, changes through a rainbow of colors. I can go to flash, the light will flash on and off continuously. Then you've got double flash, the light flashes twice quickly, go down one more, and breathing fades in and out softly in a single colour. So I'll tell you what, let's go to rainbow just so it's easy to see. And now if you have a look at the back, you will see it will go through a range of colours. And let's say if you just wanted to do a static colour, you can choose your colour. So we're going to go to rainbow, we're going to go back to static, and now you see it's on colour blue, but we can go down, press in here, and look at all the colours we can choose from. So if we go over to here and choose a red, you can now see it's gone to red at the back. And if I was to move it across to, for example, green, you will see it will go to green. And then from that point there, I can then maybe go to breathing from there. So I'm going to go to light effects and I'm going to go down to breathing. And now hopefully it will be going breathing in and out of the green colour. And when you're finished here, all you've got to do is go over to the left hand side and you will exit that menu there. So it's a nice easy way to do it all just from the screen here. Thanks for watching.